21st of August 2022 during a Sunday service at Divine Kingdom Baptist Ministries. The servant of God, Dr. Ndlovu, gave a prophetic warning about earth movements he saw in the nation of Kenya. The following are his words.
The first message says earth movements in Kenya. Earth movements in Kenya. I saw tectonic plates move in Kenya. This place is close to or at the Rift Valley region, because I was seeing a Rift Valley, a very long Rift Valley. This is where the land will experience some movements. I saw some human dwellings seriously compromised. I'll take the message again. I saw tectonic plates move in Kenya. Tectonic plates, it's plates of the earth's crust, which are under the crust as we see it. The earth is not just one continuous thing, it's a series of plates, pieces of ground, if I may put it that way in layman's language. So I saw these tectonic plates move in Kenya. And when they collide, the movement is very slow and smooth. So in some places, they will just see cracks, like a gully. They will see gullies opening. In some places, the tectonic plates, they will crash each other. They will collide against one another. And then the earth will start to shake, like an earthquake, a tremor. Say a tremor. So this is the thing that I saw in a vision. So some buildings, especially which are not strong, they may fall when this happens. Because the earth movement will be strong. It won't be once, it won't be twice. It will come, and then there will be aftershocks.
Reports from several reliable online news sources indicate that Kenyans felt an earth tremor in various parts of the country on Tuesday, July 16th, 2024, in the evening. The tremor struck around 8:34 p.m. and lasted for approximately 30 seconds. Residents in Kitengela, Ruaka, and Westlands reported feeling the tremor. Additionally, reports indicate that people in Isinya, Kajiado County also experienced the tremor around 8:34 p.m. Earthquake Monitor confirmed seismic activity in or near Nairobi area in a statement. They reported that a strong magnitude 4.6 earthquake hit 87 kilometers or 54 miles away from Nairobi at 8:32 p.m. The servant of God, Dr. Ndlovu, urges intercessors worldwide to continue to pray and fast for the nation of Kenya. May the dear Lord bless you as you intercede.